as you can see, I opened my third project, which is pocket money calculation. First, it prints "Welcome to the Pocket Money Calculator" by Anaya, which is the title. Then it takes the input from the user, which is saved in a variable called money. Then it tells how much. Then it asks how much did the item cost to the user. Then it uh, saves the money and cost in leftover money. Then it says you spent cost rupees on that item, meaning how much that money how much you spend on that item. Then it will calculate your leftover money and tell you the leftover money. Let's play it. First, it's asking how much money do you have. I'll say I have 100 rupees. Then it's asking me how much money did the item cost. I wrote the item cost 50 rupees. It then calculates and tells me that I spent 50 rupees on that item and the leftover money is 50 rupees in total. Now let's move on to my fourth project.